going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a much anticipated video. As you know, we had the NOPRO front bumper as well as the NOPRO side skirts. Those were in a previous video. Both of them got dropped off for paint over the last weekend, and I finally picked them up today, and they look so good. So our side skirts, I had painted them before. I tried a DIY method with DIY spray paint, and it came out okay, but I figured if I'm gonna do it all, I might as well get everything professionally done. And it's obviously way better than what I had done. Both sides are nice and freshly painted, nice thick layers, good clear coat, better coverage. Obviously, it's professionally done. The front bumper though, it totally changes the whole look of the way the bumper looked from factory with the white paint, the gel coat, whatever was on it. This looks so good. I don't even want to show it to you guys. Let's just put it on and see how it looks in person. All right, everybody, the moment we have all been waiting for. The NOPRO front bumper is on the NC Miata. Everything is buttoned up as it should be. We've got our air ducts in, they're riveted in, and those turned out really nicely. I love how those look, and we'll eventually get some ducting put in and direct it to the intake or wherever, but you can just see how the body lines are so much more accented with color. The white doesn't hide the body lines with the copper red, and the paint match it's really good. It's about 90%. Copper red is really hard to get right. I mean, in different lights it looks different. From right here you can kind of tell the bumper is a little bit different and the material's different, but if you look at where the hood meets the bumper, that matches. So kind of weird, but it's just a really unique paint and I love it. I wouldn't have any other paint. I think this is one of the best paints that Mazda has for this car, and just look at how nice this looks. Our headlights fit in really nicely. It looks so much more aggressive with the custom headlights. It's like front and center, those custom headlights now, and no logo or anything like that. It kind of looks like an S2000, I dare say, but I think a lot of you will agree this bumper is very S2000-esque. All right, it's about to start pouring on me, so I'm about to get out of here. Just get one more look. Look at how sick that looks. We'll do some proper photos when the weather is a little bit nicer. But yeah, it's just been downpouring the last few days. I just got out to take a couple photos before it starts raining again. So just look at that thing. It's so good. It's so good. I love it so much. With the side skirts, I really just can't get over it. And I hope you guys are excited. There's a lot of you who have messaged me and gotten the teaser photos, but here it is. This is it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're excited. And yeah, stick around, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss more of this, and I'll see you in the next video.